I'm Eric Mattei from MiDTOWN.ca. Today we're in one of the finest Midtown locations in Toronto, near Yonge and Eglinton, and just steps from the shops at Mount Pleasant. All of this at your doorstep, including TTC Transit, and you still have a beautiful, quiet Beltline walkway in your backyard. Condos are about convenience and lifestyle. Imagine having restaurants, shops, amenities at your doorstep, and then there's also this. In the midst of the city, there's a direct access from the building to the Gardner Beltline Park. Beautiful, serene walks with your pet. Enjoy company of friends. In the summer, in the winter, likewise, you get the serenity of this beautiful urban park right at your doorstep. What an amazing location in Midtown Toronto. Where are we? We're home. 253 MERTON Street. Beautiful condominium building and an exciting condo that we'd like to share with you. Come inside. One of the great things about 253 MERTON Street are the amenities. This party room is beautiful, luxurious, but it also features a walkout to a patio that has a fire table, barbecue area, and it walks directly onto the Gardner Beltline Park. The fitness room here at 253 MERTON Street is excellent, has great equipment. However, they're expanding this room, so if you buy in this building, you're going to get the benefit of having new equipment and a new facility here as well. Here we are at Unit 905, one of my favorite floor plans for a condominium. It's a split plan design. What that means is the living space is open concept, and the bedrooms are on either side for privacy. In addition to that, there's an upgraded kitchen that features granite counters, top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, and the unit itself is spotless with recent paintwork and gorgeous, gorgeous views that we'd like to show you. So location is a tantamount type of perspective that you'd want to have on a condominium as a purchaser. But in lieu of a big backyard and a detached house, I always extol the virtues of a clear view. Unbelievable treetop views here for the city of Toronto. 253 MERTON Unit 905 has an exciting view that you can have year-round, morning sunlight, all the things that you'd want from a fantastic view from a Toronto condominium. What's left to come and view this building and view this incredible unit? To do so, please contact us. I'm Eric Mattei, MiDTOWN.ca, and you can email us at info@MiDTOWN.ca. Thank you.